stop working for a moment, okay, and just take a look at this for just a sec. So I told you guys to hover over these and see. This one says 10 locally defined values. This one says 11 locally defined values. This one says 11. We know by counting over here that there are, 10 things, not 11. And so if we put the panels to it, right, that's when you're going to start to see the problem. So in here, it's basically, there's a total of 10 things, 9 index values, 0 to 9 is 10, right? There's 10 things here. But coming out of the rotate command, there's 1 being added. And so you can see that right between this component and that component, the list grew by 1. Now, that's a problem because they're mismatched, right? There's 1 more thing here than there was in there. And the thing that's up there is the last polyline curve up at the top. Okay? So, because remember, each of these components starts with the original, right? And so it's going to make copies from there or rotations from there. So when we look at the amount of rotations that we're getting 11 rotations, index values 0 to 10. And so that helps you to kind of see, all right, so when I count the physical number of things, there's only 10 of them, there's not 11. And so the only thing that it did is it took the last 2 things on top from that other thing, and it made 2 copies of it and rotated it. And so you end up with this big kink at the top, which is why we had to subtract 1 out. Okay?